sponge, polarimeter to unify the corona, and heliosphere is a NASA mission which will attempt to imagine the Sun. They have selected an Indian scientist as a co-investigator for this mission. Who is he? And the answer is Deepankar Banerjee. In 305 BC, which Maurya ruler defeated Alexander's general Seleucus Nicator? And the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. When did the Apple iPhone first become available? And the answer is 2007. Which cricketer was named Player of the Tournament for the ICC World Cup 2019? And the answer is Kane Williamson. Indian scientists developed a new material called black gold, which can absorb light and carbon dioxide. Which institute did they belong to? And the answer is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. The biggest river island in the world located in Assam. What is it called? And the answer is Majuli. Which historical event does Charles Dickens' novel The Tale of Two Cities concern? And the answer is the French Revolution. Saturn has a total of 62 moons, the largest one being larger than the planet of Mercury. What is its name? And the answer is Titan. If you look closely at the planet Jupiter, a very evident dense red spot can be found on it as seen from space. This is often called the Great Red Spot. What is it? And the answer is a hurricane. Who led the Indian cricket team to their first ever World Cup victory in 1983? And the answer is Kapil Dev. The largest Buddhist monastery in the world is located in dash dash, and the answer is Indonesia. Castella, Tres Leches, Brigadeiro, and Olibolan are all names of dash dash, and the answer is desert. Who was the first Indian from the film industry to win an Oscar award? And the answer is Bhanu Athaiya. In the FIFA World Cup, the Golden Globe Award is awarded each season to whom? And the answer is the best goalkeeper. Which one of these is a traditional folk dance of the people of Lakshadweep Islands? And the answer is Lava dance. The famous Hornbill festival is celebrated in which of the following state of India? And the answer is Nagaland. Dash Dash is a folk dance formed from the Indian state of Mizoram, in which men move bamboo staves horizontally and vertically while women dance in between them so as to avoid their legs getting caught? And the answer is Cheraw dance. Dash dash is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. And the answer is Shimla. Name Chetan Bhagat's debut novel, which was also adapted into a Bollywood movie. And the answer is 5 Point Someone. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.